Let's take a look at how you can watch Major League Baseball on Apple TV. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to enable those notifications so you don't miss a single video. In this video specifically, I'm going to be talking about how you can watch Major League Baseball on Apple TV. I'm also going to discuss what makes Apple TV so unique to watch baseball, and finally, I'll share with you the schedule and how you can find the schedule towards the end. If it helps, use the chapter markers down below to navigate between these three sections. So let's go ahead and dive into it. The first question that I want to tackle is how you can watch MLB on Apple TV. Turns out it is very easy to do. You do not need a physical Apple TV hardware box to watch MLB. This is actually a partnership between Major League Baseball and Apple TV Plus, Apple's streaming service. So you can watch Major League Baseball anywhere that you have access to the Apple TV app. This includes all of your Apple devices, such as the Apple TV, iPhone, iPad, and Mac. But it also works on third-party devices, streaming devices that have access to the Apple TV app, things like Roku sticks or smart TVs. Finally, if you have access to none of those, you can watch at tv.apple.com. One cool thing about this is there are no blackouts by region. This is a huge deal, especially living near Cleveland. We would always watch the Indians games, but we'd have to stream them in the Bally's or the Fox Sports Ohio app, and they were terrible apps, and it always frustrates me. You just couldn't watch through apps like Hulu or any of the other networks or streaming apps. It was beyond frustrating, and I am so glad that Apple made a contingent that there are no regional blackouts. So if you were struck by these issues on the past with other games, you will not be when watching through Apple TV Plus. These games are also available globally. Apple has 8 different countries that can stream its MLB games, and it says it's looking to expand these to additional countries soon. Right now at launch, you can stream MLB on Fridays through Apple TV Plus in the US, Canada, UK, as well as Australia, Brazil, Japan, Mexico, Puerto Rico, and South Korea. Do you need an Apple TV Plus subscription to watch MLB on Apple TV? Right now, the answer is no. Apple's making this free for everybody, but it will eventually require an Apple TV subscription to watch MLB through Apple TV Plus. So keep that in mind. Watch it now if you don't have that subscription, but you may need one in the future if you want to keep watching those games. Another question that I've been asked a few times is what makes MLB on Apple TV so unique? There's a few different ways that Apple is tackling this, some more successfully than others. The games on Apple TV Plus are produced in partnership with MLB, so there's a great team of commentators behind them. The commentators right now include Melanie Newman, Chris Young, Hannah Kaiser, and on-field reporter Brooke Fletcher. While it's a good team of commentators, there's been a lot of opinions online already that people aren't in love with how they're talking about the game. There are complaints about them going off topic, but that will likely be sorted out by the next airing. I think part of this is people have a lot of preferences on who their commentators are. For me, living in Ohio, watching the Indians or the Guardians, we have our local broadcasters, our commentators that I've grown up with and I love. And listening to somebody else is just going to be a little jarring. They're not who I'm used to or who I like to hear. So I think some people are experiencing that. Others just don't like the off-topic conversation, things like squirrels or Benihana. But hey, this is a first game for Apple, and I think things are going to get tighter and more streamlined and more on point as we move forward. Another unique feature of MLB on Apple TV is Apple's ability to streamline technology. We have things like really high resolution 1080p games, which is not always the case. They're sometimes streamed at lower resolution like 720p. So as I was watching, the game looked really crisp. Additionally, Apple's using great cameras and on-field equipment to get the best possible quality. And we see this in things like the good shallow depth of field as they have close-ups on the players. So there's stuff like that that's going on. But at the same time, for the first game, there were technical issues. We saw things like the game cutting out and dropping to lower resolutions. This is Apple's first 2 games again, and I really hope that this is not a continued problem and that Apple addresses them by the next set of Friday night games. Apple also ties in MLB to its other services. For example, as a player walks up to bat, there's their walk-up music that plays. You can hear it in the stadium, you can hear it on TV, and Apple has taken these and created curated playlists within Apple Music. So as you're watching Cleveland play or the Dodgers play or whoever it is that is playing, you'll be able to go and find a playlist of all of the walk-up music for their batters. It's a really cool idea, and I love that Apple did this. So yes, this is an option, and you can find access from the Apple TV app. There was a shortcut for me to jump into Apple Music, but when I visited Apple Music and went to browse, there was the option just to view it that way too. So you can search for it and more will be available. Right now, after only 1 game, there was only 4 playlists available because it was a double header, so just 4 teams. Going forward, as more teams play, additional playlists will be added. Finally, whoever's streaming the games will always have a different look on screen, the different UI, and Apple has its own as well. You'll just notice a good streamlined look and feel to the broadcast. I like the boxes in the corners, and I like the probabilities that are displayed in the lower right-hand corner that adjust after each swing or pitch. It's a really cool little metric that you can see. So there is a nice look to Apple TV's version of MLB. So what is the schedule of MLB games on Apple TV Plus? Well, right now, this does change, and it will change going forward. But the published schedule thus far is linked down below in the description. There is an AppleInsider article where we cover the existing schedule of games, but as Apple announces more, you'll just have to use Siri. You can go to the Apple website or check in the Apple TV app, or just keep your eyes peeled on AppleInsider and see when games are being played. As I said, right now, it is MLB on Fridays on Apple TV+. So it is right now just Friday games. Any games any other day of the week will not be on Apple TV+. There'll be 2 games on those Fridays, and you'll be able to see what those teams are through Siri and through a variety of different methods. But check the link down below in the description to get the most up-to-date list that's published, I think, through June or July. So a bunch of different games scheduled out. So what do you guys all think? I know we've got a lot of opinions on this. There is stuff on the actual broadcast itself, on the commentators, on Apple's technology aspects. There's a lot of stuff to talk about, so please, 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 let's do it. Let me know down below in the comments what you think, or let me know on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. If you want to sign up for Apple TV Plus, there's a link to do that down below in the description. And stay tuned, I got a whole lot more content to share with you guys coming up.